Imagine Palantir as a tech wunderkind that just won a $200 billion lottery. Fun fact, Palantir is named after the seeing stones from Lord of the Rings. Clearly the company has a sense of humor. As of 2025, its market cap shot past $200 billion, making it more valuable than companies like McDonald's or Netflix. Just a few years ago Palantir was a fraction of that size, so this rise is truly dramatic. Its stock more than quadrupled last year, thanks to booming demand for AI and data analytics tools. Strong forecasts, new contracts, and general tech hype also helped fuel the climb. For perspective, $200 billion is bigger than the GDP of some small countries. Palantir, once a niche data firm serving spy agencies, has officially become a Wall Street rock star. In fact, that climb has vaulted Palantir into roughly the top 50 companies worldwide by market cap, rubbing shoulders with major banks and energy giants. Behind the scenes, Palantir's main gig is data, powerful platforms, Gotham and Foundry, that help governments and businesses analyze crazy amounts of information. With nearly everyone chasing AI magic, Palantir looks like a genie granting data wrangling wishes. But remember, a huge market cap means high expectations. It's like being on top of a mountain, exciting, but one slip could be a big tumble. Investors believe Palantir will deliver the future, which is why the stock is so massive. The mystery of the 598 PE ratio. Palantir's price-to-earnings, PE, ratio is around 598, which sounds like a lottery number. PE is just the price you pay per dollar of earnings. For context, a PE of 20 means you pay $20 for $1 of profit. So at 598, you're paying $598 for $1 of earnings. Why so wild? There are a couple of reasons: tiny past profits. For years Palantir reinvested heavily and made little profit, so the E in PE is small. Crazy growth expectations. Investors clearly think future profits will be huge, so they bid the stock up now. In simple terms, Palantir's PE says, "We expect this company to grow like crazy." It's like paying $600 for one meal with hopes it spawns $1 million dinner. It's almost become a running joke among retail traders. One quipped, "The E in PE now stands for eventually." For context, even fast-growing tech usually trades below a PE of 50. 598 is basically a mutant outlier. A PE that high is risky. If Palantir stumbles or growth slows, the valuation could crash. But for now, it just signals huge faith in Palantir's future. Dividends? Not on Palantir's radar. Does Palantir pay dividends to shareholders? Nope. Here's possibly why: growth focus. Palantir is still expanding fast. Any earnings are funneled back into R&D, new projects, and hiring, not paid out. Early-stage giant, it only recently became profitable. In past years there wasn't much profit to share anyway. Tech traditions. Like many tech leaders, think Amazon or Tesla, Palantir prefers reinvesting for bigger future gains rather than handing out cash. By the way, if you are benefiting from the content so far and want more like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications bell, and comment the word more. Just go ahead and type the word more so I know. Now that you've commented, let's continue. But wait. If you are interested in stock news updates that might be relevant to your financial targets, join us and become a member for member-only videos. Find the link in the description section below. In plain speak, expecting dividends from Palantir is like expecting a startup to hand out bonuses while it's building its empire. Management is more interested in fueling the rocket ship than paying a crew member stipend. For now, all the energy is on growth, not payouts. Expecting a dividend is basically like waiting for a teenager to share their crypto gains. The wild roller coaster ride, $125 high to $20 low. Palantir's stock has been wild. In the last 52 weeks it swung from a low around $20.50 to a high near $125.41. That's a huge range, like a rocket that sometimes takes off and sometimes crashes. This wide swing signals volatility. Palantir is seen as high risk, high reward. Traders ride the waves. News sensitivity, big news, good earnings, AI hype, Musk tweets, zoom the stock up. Bad news or profit doubts send it down. Speculation, many investors are gambling on the AI gold rush, which magnifies price moves. Big upside stories, when the stock hits a new high, tales of insane returns go viral, attracting even more traders, aka FOMO. Enter Elon Musk's XAI in Grok. Enter the wild card of tech, Elon Musk. Musk, yes, the SpaceX, Tesla, X mastermind, launched a new AI venture called XAI in 2023. After co-founding OpenAI years ago, he's back with his own flavor of AI. His mission? Build a more open, trustworthy AI, essentially a TruthGPT, basically an AI version that only tells the truth. One of XAI's products is Grok, a chatbot Musk talks up as more transparent and less biased than other AIs. Musk's vision is to make AI that truly seeks truth and is pro-humanity. He said he'll open source the models to keep them honest. Grok debuted saying it can answer questions without heavy censorship, promising insight into its reasoning, though some analysts note not everything is fully open yet. Musk even live-streamed the Grok introduction, because of course he did. When Elon's involved, it's always a show. Bottom line, XAI/Grok is all about AI ethics, openness, and trust. Think of it as the rebel little brother to systems like ChatGPT, with swagger, I'll tell you not just the answer, but also why I got it. Investors are intrigued by another big player in the AI game, especially one promising to keep the AI black box a bit more translucent. XAI's pitch is explainable AI. This means AI doesn't just blurt out an answer, it tells you why. For businesses, that can build trust. Imagine a loan approval AI that not only says, approved, but also lists reasons, income is stable and credit score is high. Or an AI that flags, hey, this decision involves sensitive factors and may need a human review. Essentially, every output comes with a mini explanation or audit trail. So instead of a scary black box, XAI/Grok promises an AI co-pilot that explains its reasoning. If companies can see the logic behind decisions, they'll be more likely to adopt AI. In other words, understanding how an AI thinks might sell a lot more licenses. Imagine AI and humans as partners, not rivals. AI could be a friendly genius assistant, helping out without any world domination plans, hopefully. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, AIP, is its suite for deploying AI on top of big data. The headline, Palantir will integrate Musk's Grok chatbot into AIP. In practice, that means Palantir is adding Grok's brainpower to its own engine. Think of it like, tech team up. Palantir provides the data, Grok provides the reasoning. Market signal, investors see this as Palantir getting serious about AI. It was a clear sign both companies can benefit. Palantir gets a new AI toy, and XAI gets a powerful deployment network. This early handshake could foreshadow deeper collaboration. Palantir isn't just talking AI, it's bringing in a big new AI buddy. What if Musk and Palantir really went all in together? Here's a tongue-in-cheek vision of the future that could, maybe, boost Palantir sky high, Tesla Autopilot plus Palantir. If Tesla integrates Palantir's AI, every self-driving car becomes a rolling data lab. Musk tweets about it, retail investors freak out. Neuralink networks, Musk's brainchip venture uses Palantir to interpret neural data. If Elon publicly mentions Palantir as a key piece, chaos and shares up. If one happened, Palantir's price could explode. Could we see $1,275 a share? Who knows? But if Palantir truly became a key part of Musk's empire, we might need space helmets to track its orbit. High risk, high hilarity. It's our privilege that God the creator of heaven and earth will bless us abundantly, make us the head and not the tail if we love him and obey his commandments. Please acknowledge him in your plans and he will direct your paths. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Want more information? Please check the description section. Also again, if you are interested in more relevant stock news updates, consider becoming a member. Link in the description section. If you have watched until the end, drop a comment like this: I stayed until the end. Just comment that I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a heart. There are 3 more important steps to build wealth. First, like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notifications bell. If you do this, you highly motivate me to continue bringing to you educative and transformative videos every week. Do not miss out on our future videos full of knowledge and wisdom. All I am asking is your subscription. Thanks for joining us today, your support is appreciated so much. Do not hesitate to share this video to help someone. I recommend that you watch the next video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts about today's video. Thank you, see you in the next video by God's grace. We love you, and blessings to you.